Alright, welcome to Tech Edify, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook ads or how to run an ads on Facebook. Now, one thing is that Facebook ads is one of the best way that you can reach out more audience with your business. So if you have a business and then you want to reach to a high audience, then I recommend using Facebook ads. Now, I have done it before and I know the impact that it can make. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an ads for your Facebook. Now, one thing that you need to know is that if you have a personal Facebook account and you don't have a business page, that means you can't create an ads with it. So if you have a business, I recommend you creating a Facebook page. Now, to create an ads, now make sure that you are switched to the page that you want to create an ads. So here we are using Texodex Tech Support Service. So when you come to your menu, now you will see what we call the ads manager. Now someone will be asking, where will I land to this page? Now if you have multiple accounts, you can switch from here. Then you see the various pages that you want to run the ads on. So here I've already switched to the Texodex. That's why you are seeing it there. So we go to the ad center. Now when you come to the ad center, you see advertise, or you can even use the get started here, any of which that you can start with it. So I will just click on any of this. You can even use advertise here. So let me hit on the advertise. Now when you click on the advertise, we have 3 types of ads you can choose to run. Now the first one is get started with automatic ads. Now this one, Facebook will get you a personalized ads that can help you to get a better result. So if you don't know which category or criteria of the ads that you want to choose, you can use the first one. Now the second one is to create an ads using a text, a photo, or even promote your business, using text, video, or photos. And this is to boost a post. That means if you already have some post that you have on your page, you can boost it. So here we're going to use the second one here. With this one, we can customize what we want and then get it started. So let's hit on the create new ads. So I'll hit on it. All right, so when you land on the ads page, so here we have the goal, that is you can let it be on automatic. That is Facebook will choose the most relevant based on your settings. And now we have what we call the ad description or the ad description. So here you can choose a description that you want depending on what you are advertising on. If it's for a business or you are creating or targeting a certain service that you want to run, you can put your description here. So I will just maintain what I have here. Now when you come down here, we have what we call select media. Select media can help you to choose either a photo or a video to run your ads with. Now as you are doing, you will see the preview of it here. So if I don't like this photo and I want to use a photo, that is maybe I have my own design image or maybe a video that I want to use for my ads, I will just select here and I'll browse from my computer. So assuming like I have these photos uploaded on already on Facebook, I can choose any one of these. So let me just quickly pick this one. So I'll just select it. Now if I want to add it from my computer, then I'll use the upload. So that is it. So if you have the image on your computer or a video on your computer, you can use the upload. So here I'll just pick this one and then I'll just select it. All right, so you can see that I already have 2 pictures. So if I don't need this one, I can just delete that one and then I'll maintain this for the ad. So now here we have what we call the headline. Now the headline is the title or the caption that you want to show up on your ad. So let's assume maybe this is the caption that I want to use, maybe get a POS system for your business. So let me use get POS now. So that is the headline. Now the headline is limited. You can't type in enough text, so take note of that. Now after you are done, you can just scroll down. Now we have what we call button label. The button label is a button that will show up over the ads. That is this one. So if you want to change it, you can choose from here. So maybe you want them to like your page, call now, apply now, book now, contact us, downloads. Depending on what you want, you can just choose that. So if I choose call now, then it means I need to provide a telephone number that will show up. So just choose the one that you think is appropriate for what you are doing. So let me just say we want to make send message. We want the users to tap on it and send us a message. Now when you come down here, now the most important thing here, over here they say ad category. That means if your ad is about employment or housing or election, you need to enable it so that they can review and show it to, or restrict certain users not to see that, because not all users have interest in those things. All right, so now when you come here, this is messaging. That means when they tap on that button, what do you want? We have to get them a greeting message. You can customize it by editing it from here. And now when you scroll down to the various apps that you want to run, that means where people can message you. So either you're going to respond to them or have a conversation with them through Messenger or WhatsApp. It makes communication very easy. So if you have WhatsApp, then you have to put your WhatsApp number. You can add more WhatsApp numbers. I think it supports over up to 50 WhatsApp numbers per page. All right, so here we'll come down here. Now another one important thing that you need to take note is the targeted audience. That means the ads that you are running, which type of people do you want them to see? So over here we have what we call the audience, that is their age and then location and other stuff. So you have to click here to edit it. So when you click there, then do you want to show your ads to all or only men or women? Now depending on what you are running, if your business, maybe your targeted audience are men, then you need to choose men. But if you have a product or a service that you are selling to all people, then you need to allow it to all. For example, if maybe I'm selling ladies apparel and I'm running a Facebook ads to help get a lot of ladies to buy, then probably I don't need men, I need women. So over here you choose the gender for your ads. Now here we have what we call the age group. Over here you need to analyze to understand certain things here, because if what I'm selling, the age group is 18, that means what I'm selling 18 years people cannot afford to buy, then there's no need for me to specify 18, because maybe 18 they are just young, some of them may be students and other stuff. So depending on whatever business that you are running and you want to target, so you can set your age group from here. So let's assume maybe my age group, I want it to be like 26 going up to 65. I think it's quite cool. Now when you finish, you come to the location. That means where do you want your ads to be displayed? You can choose a country or even a specific location. So over here, when you tap here, now because I'm in Ghana, that is where I see the map here, but you can choose from the location by even typing. So maybe if I want my ads to be running on United States or USA, I can choose United States. Any country or any region, you can set it there. So here I'm just in Ghana, so let's assume maybe this is the Ghana map, and one thing is that I can use the drop pin to set locations and then expand the radius of the area that I want. Now this makes it help you to target a particular audience in a region or maybe in a vicinity. So over here I'll just pick this one, and maybe I want Takwa people, so I'll just click here. Now as I set my map here, that means I'm targeting a particular region in Ghana or a location. So here you can expand the mouse. So how long do you want the ads to cover? It means that those people around that vicinity, they will be able to see the ads run on the when they visit Facebook. So now one interesting thing is that you can even set other location by using the same drop pin. So maybe I want to choose a different place. So let me reduce the zoom so we can see the map very well. So okay, so let's assume maybe I want to go to let me just zoom it out a little. So maybe Accra too. I want to set Accra, so I'll just click on Accra. All right, so I've picked Accra, and now I can set the radius of where I want the ads to cover. You can go and expand it now. So that's 16 miles. That is it. So you can customize your location depending on where you are and which area you want your ads to be safe. So now when you choose it, you can see estimated audience size that you can reach. So there's 3.1 to 3.6 million people. So here I'll just click on save to save my audience. Now after that, then you can come down to the budget. That is, how much do you want to use to run Facebook ads. Now Facebook ads can start as a minimum of $1. So depending on your budget, you can choose to spend $1,000. You can choose to spend whatever depending on how much you have. So let's assume maybe the ads that I want to run, I want to make it like maybe $4, that is per day. $4 per day. So you can choose when the ads will end by clicking on this. So here I'll set a date. So how many days? Maybe I want it to be 6 days or 5 days or whatever that you can specify. So the end date will be 14th of July. So now it tells you that every day you are going to spend $4. So that means if you were to run the whole ads for that 5 days, it's going to be $20. Now this is how many people that you can reach per day. That is 5,400 to 15,700. That is based on your budget. The more I increase it, the more audience that it can reach per day. So depending on how many audience that you want to reach per day, you can specify it from here based on your budget. So as you slide it, so let's say $10 per day, then let's see how many people that we can reach. So estimated of 10,000 to 31,000, 10,000 to 31,000 people per day, and this is how much you're going to pay for the 5 days. So check your budget and then check the number of people that you want to reach to, then you can see that. So after you are done, then you can add your Visa card. Now Facebook support Visa, MasterCard, or maybe if you want to use a PayPal. So I've already added some cards already, so but let me show you how you can change it in case you want to add a different payment method. So I'll click on change. So you can choose credit card, or if you want to use a PayPal, you can use PayPal, or if you have a credit that you want to use from Facebook, you can select the credit card and let's go to next and then add the information of the credit card. I already have a credit card. I think one have expired, so I can just choose this one to run it. So that is it. So after you are done, then you check over here. So your total estimated amount that you pay, and then also your total estimated daily reach over here. So, and because they are charging VAT, they have added the VAT to it, which is $7.5. Now after you are done with everything, you can click on publish, and now when you do that, Facebook will review it. If it meets to their requirement, then they will allow your ads to run. So basically that's how you can run an ads on Facebook to promote your business. Yes, it really works. I've done it before. I've tried it before, and it's one of the best way that you can reach out to a lot of people. It's one of the best way that you can market your business, because now everyone is on social media, and when you run ads or sell something on social media by pushing it, it makes an impact. So feel free and just try your hands on it, and if there is any question or challenges that you face, please put it in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video to help others as well. Yes, and then give it a thumb up if it has helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.